from Sunday night on the 21st, and it just stopped snowing now, but there is, I took the ruler to it, there is 7 inches of snow on the ground now as we speak. And even though they went in and plowed and sanded the roads, it really doesn't matter all that much. This is going to freeze over all night. It's going to be snowing until 4 o'clock on Monday. And I have a feeling that things are going to be at a standstill Monday morning around here. This is West Tacoma. Not too far from the Narrows Bridge. 6th Avenue down that way, looking east. Nice white on the snow. Power lines are snowed over. Hopefully they won't start knocking down. This is the War Memorial Park. Somewhere tried building a snowman down there already. That's the parking lot. Just walking through the War Memorial Park. We're going there. Let's check out Highway 16. Come on back. Oh, that's a pretty piece of tree there. Some snow on it. This is some deep snow out here, very rare. This much deep snow. I haven't felt this much deep snow since probably the blizzard we had back in 1990, which shut the city down for a few days on December 18th, December 8th, December 18th, 1990. Well, I'm working on staying out of the road. It's gonna break a little bit, but I'm sure more key marks around. This is Highway 16. Towards I-5. I did a good job of sanding the roads. I have a feeling there's gonna be some black ice on here soon. Now this is overlooking the Narrows Bridge. Narrows Bridges. I don't know if they're sanding out there. I think they're sanding the bridge, the older bridge. But, yeah, it looks like there's black ice on the freeway though in the morning. There's a bit of struggle trying to get across that.